Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sure, sending Gmail emails using Python can be achieved using the SMTP library to establish a connection with Gmail's SMTP server and the email library to construct and send the email. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to send Gmail emails with a default signature and custom font size. Make sure you have the SMTP and email libraries installed. If not, you can install them via pip. Here's an example Python code to send an email using Gmail, including a default signature and setting a custom font size. Remember to handle your credentials securely and avoid sharing sensitive information within code repositories. This example uses plaintext password entry, which is not recommended for production applications. Consider using environment variables or more secure methods for handling sensitive information in production code. ChatGPT.